Hey there, I'm Asbestos 451. At Union Station right now, and just got off the TTC subway. I noticed a funny advertisement. I'm gonna show it for you now. I don't know. It's erectile dysfunction. I get that that's a real issue that people actually face, but something about it never ceases to make me chuckle a little bit. I find it humorous, I guess. Um, Anyways, yeah, no, I gotta go catch a train, so I will see you later. Yeah. Okay. Take care. I'm alone on the GO train.
Oakville is your
Listening
next and
to.
final stop. This train will be out of service upon arrival at Oakville.
Thank you. That's where I'm going. Listening to Have a Nice Life. Very good music band.